Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. Again, I apologise for the background noise. I am outside, so it's unavoidable. I want to get some of this information to you as soon as possible. There's been an uptake in a new hydrogen power company called Bloom Energy. I want to explain to you why I'm not investing. There's a lot of hype around these companies, so you have to be careful with the ones you go into. Now, Bloom, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. If you look at its financials, it's got more debt than assets, and fair enough, a lot of EV companies, a lot of hydrogen companies are like that, but it hasn't started yet. It hasn't set up its network. You want one that has already got its network set up, or is already, if it hasn't got its network set up, is already doing hydrogen, like Plug Power. Because of its run up, Bloom is already as expensive as Plug Power, so you may as well go into Plug Power. However, I could be wrong, it could carry on going up. But if it does, you're likely to get diluted, as with any stock. Now, I am going to provide another alternative. Clean Energy Fuels Core. It's one that I'm going into today, and I'm informing you of this before I go into it. And this is part of what you get with being a subscriber with Savvy Money Show. I'm not like some of them out there, like Jeremy or that. Oh, I've just put 100k into this company. Thanks, Jeremy. You've just lifted it up by 100k, by a couple of points. Could have told me beforehand. Me with my £100 isn't going to touch it, but you with your 100k will, and all your followers. But anyway, it has a 2.5 million shares on the market, 504 million market cap, which is nothing. It has a 15 PE ratio, which proves it's profitable, whereas the others aren't. So earnings date is in August. Now, we can see on here that Clean Energy is for liquefied and compressed natural gas, and it's what is it? Now, people are going on Motley Fool's, and he's a great guy, but on his he's saying how Sunrun acquired solar installer rival, and basically that's why they have run up and Clean Energy hasn't. Now, basically, just because no one knows anything of any substance, but that means that you will get in before anyone knows anything. Basically, if you know about Helion, this is the kind of thing that they deal with. The liquefied natural gas, they will be using this sort of thing for their generators on their new Hypertruck. They have partnered with Chevron on the 7th of July. They have agreed to repurchase up to $30 million worth of stock from 13th of March, and they have a lot of partnership deals. Now, I do think this is one that is worth further research, and at this price point think it's worth a small investment while we do the research. I mean, it's a profitable company. If you look at the debt to, sorry about this, I keep going back and forth, and if you look at the debt to liability on the financials, you can see that 293 million current assets, 777 million total assets, total liabilities 234 million. So its current assets, you could pay off its total liabilities and still have money left over. That's the kind of balance sheet I like to have. Now, it obviously has cash on hand because it's repurchasing some of its shares, which makes me think it's preparing for a big move. In this market, companies don't repurchase their own stock, especially when it will make them ineligible for government programs, unless they're preparing to do something which will make the stock go upwards. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed the program. If you have, don't forget to hit the like button. Helps with the YouTube algorithm and getting the video out to more people. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. Become part of the Saving Money Show family. You'll get to ask me to check out any video you want, any stock you want. You get to ask me to look at anything, any ticker you want. You can see from the comments that we all chip in with updates and tips, and if you want to be a hero, hit the bell notification. You'll be notified when a new video gets uploaded. If you're looking for a free trading platform which will trade your stocks and shares, don't forget to check out links in the description below. You'll get a free share worth up to £200 for signing up and depositing a small amount. Free trade only requires a £2 deposit, and for a limited time only, they're offering one lucky winner a free Tesla share. So for a £2 deposit, it's like you're entering a raffle for a Tesla share. So why wouldn't you? So even if you don't, you use a link, get a £2, put £2 in, you get a free share with. Now, if you want to use the other ones, you've got Trading 212, which requires £100 deposit, and Stake, which requires $100 deposit, and it holds more US stocks than any other app outside of America. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.